Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. So, big day today. Oh, another big day. It seems like they're all big days for the blue one. This bad boy, MOT today, 1 o'clock. I'm going to drop it off now. We're off to Creeley after. On the way back, pick it up. Hopefully it's passed. As I told you about all the things it failed for before, I'll obviously mention it to him. So I've done all the fixes, like the mirror and stuff. The only thing that's questionable is this windscreen. See, it's cracked here. It goes up to here. The last guy's failed it for it, so it's obstructing your view. How is that obstructing your view? But yeah, I'll speak to him. Say, can you pass it? Yeah, I mean, 20 quid extra. And hopefully it passes and we're all on the road and stuff, because we got wagon, haven't we? You know that. We got offset show. And we want to take this thing. We don't want to trailer it there. Right, is this going to work? Oh, oh dear, there you go. We're in. Right, let's drive to the MOT place. Here we go, here we go. Oh, that belt's squeaking so much. Let's get going. Right guys, it's been a few days now since I dropped the Skyline off to the MOT place. Dropped it off on the Thursday. They had a long weekend off, bank holidays and all that. So yeah, what they had Friday, Saturday, Sunday and Monday off. It's currently Thursday and they still haven't done the car. So we've loaded me tools up in the AMG. Still had to put those tyres on the Mercedes yet. But basically it failed for a fog light. No fog light switch or fog light at the back. So I bought a fog light from Halfords, dropped it off on the Tuesday when they come back to work. And I said, you can have it done by the weekend because I'm going to a car show on the weekend, wagon offset show. And they're like, oh yeah, hopefully. And it's currently Thursday, so they haven't rang me yet. I'm going down there. I'm going to put the fog light on myself, and then hopefully we get a pass. Because we need to put the interior. We don't need to. I want to put all the interior in before we go to the show, and get all the rest of the sound editing in. So let's go down there and do. It's a bit embarrassing for them. You got your customers to come in and do their own work on this for the MOT pass, but. Oh well, let's get down there. Right, cancel all that rubbish. I was just chatting then. I was going to go down and obviously fit the fog light. Went to Halfords to get some, some wire crimps and stuff like that, add to the toolbox. And picked it all up. Spent 30 quid on little air pliers and stuff, cable. And they rang me, said it's done. So get me set that to come pick me up now and we'll go get him. MOT passed, all legal. Just got some tax on it as well. 300 odd quid for the year, which is quite cheap. I thought it was a lot more than that. So yeah, good times. Now luckily it's just stopped honking it down, as you can see by the wetness. Hopefully it stays like that so we can get it back here, start putting all the rest of the sound in and all the carpet and stuff, and have an interior. And I'll also see you guys at Wagon if you're going. Let me know in the comments if you're going to be there. Say hello if you spot me. Obviously I'll be in the blue Skyline. Merc's staying at home. Let's chuck him on charge because the battery's flat. And here's me stepdad. Right, see you guys later. Right guys, it's a big fat fail this is, I tell you. Got the car from the MOT. They told me when they was warming the car up for the emissions test, it developed a misfire. And it started misfiring on the way to the MOT station, but I thought, it'll be alright, it'll be something, spark plugs or something. And basically I picked it, I turned it on when I picked it up and it was running like poop. I think it was running on like 4 cylinders. And took it straight to the tuner, Julian at Pro 4M, who tuned it. And we done a compression test fine. It's burning oil quite a lot, so he thinks it's the piston rings. So basically the engine's screwed. It runs on 4 cylinders, now and again 5, now and again 6. It just keeps on going. Thought maybe it'd be something simple like the coil pack harness. Swapped around coil packs, didn't do nothing. So yeah, it's rubbish. The car's broke. Need a new engine basically, or build this one. So it's a big fat fail. I don't think I'll be taking it to Wagon. We'll be in the Mac. I mean, the A45 is still a nice car, but it ain't no Skyline. But yeah, I'm obviously a bit bit disappointed, to say. Should have just kept the grey one. It worked. So yeah, now obviously I need to order a new engine. £3,600 from JDM Garage for a second-hand used engine with warranty and stuff, compression tested and stuff like that. So I'm thinking about just getting that, because I've just got £3,600 lying around all the time, and doing a straight swap, taking this one out and building it in the shed. Do a fully forged engine, try and build it myself, maybe get someone to do the measurements and all that so I don't mess it up. But yeah, that's the situation. Bit of a fucking shitty day really, I'm just gonna say. But hey, that's Skylines for you. JDM cars, I don't know. I knew the engine burnt oil when we put it in. It burnt oil when I took the engine out before, so yeah, I just I thought it'd be alright. Keep topping it up with oil every couple of weeks or whatever. And it still ran fine before, but yeah, it's not having any of it. We can't figure it out. So yeah, fat fail. Car's not making it to Weybridge. We'll take the Merc. At least I can finish up all the sound denting and stuff. But we're all MOT'd now though. We're road legal, we're insured, we're taxed and all that. So I'm not having this car off the road for long. I'm getting a new engine in there. And then we'll have 2 engines on the build. And we'll just run the stocky for a bit. Obviously we'll swap all the we'll get the block and we'll swap all the front facing intake. We'll put the hybrid turbo off this one onto the stock one, which should be sound and it'll run decent. Put the 1000cc injectors in to the other one, and then that should run decently. I'll drive it around for the summer, and yeah, then we can build this engine internally, put forged pistons in it. The head's been done on this, so we shouldn't have to do anything to that. But yeah, that's the situation. Oh yeah, not only is our engine not blown, but gone, you know, burning oil, rubbish, pistons, blah blah blah. After I left Julian's, he told me that I need a new engine basically. We ran out of fuel. Literally about a mile or 2 from the petrol station. I mean, I put 50 quid on it, when I took it down to Julian's for the first time when it got mapped, and then brought it back home obviously when it failed the MOT, done some stuff on it, drove it to St. Budel, which is like 5 miles away. But obviously when he had the car, he obviously was running it up, tuning it and stuff, and went through 50 quid worth of fuel. So yeah, we ran out. Luckily some nice guy just pulled over, drove me to the petrol station, had to buy another jerry can. I've got like 4 of them now, with the amount of times I ran out of fuel. And we chucked 5 quid in, well not 5 quid, 5 litres in. And they took me back and we made it home. But yes, it's been a bit of a rubbishy old day today really. Oh well. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Send me a load of sad faces and stuff, but we'll get it fixed, don't worry. We'll get him back. Running all on 6 cylinders. Should have just kept the grey one, but hey. Like and subscribe to the channel guys if you haven't. Anyway, I'll see you next one. Take it easy.